the Bahai shrine, the burial inside this house, this building actually. This is the garden. Oh my goodness, so beautiful, so beautiful. I'm just blessed, we're just blessed, got the chance to see, to touch, to feel. And see this beautiful garden. Wow. This is the entrance to the shrine. All is red. Wow, it's beautiful. Look at that. I don't know. No, this is the season for this flower, I guess.
You're in a red bag.
Gosh. Gang, look at that. So beautiful. Oh, full of bread. In a few minutes we're going inside because there's a group of people inside. They were not allowed to have many visitors in, so we need to wait like 5 to 10 minutes. Mars, mag-wave lang, hiya ang smile, kakalandi. So tranquil, relax, full of life, a piece of heaven on earth. So we just wait for now. So probably they will be finished in a moment. So it's time to go inside. Bye. Yeah, sweetie. What is it? Isn't it beautiful? The weather and the cloud is betraying on me. I can't see a thing. So blurred.
Me too.
Bahai terrace at Bahai Akko.